Ladies and gentlemen.
Hello everyone and welcome back to another hair tutorial. Today we are working with Yolissa Hair. They sent me a 5x5 ace closure wig in 22 inches in this 613 blonde color. Y'all, this wig already came pre-cut and pre-curled for you, so I don't have to do anything but install it to my head. So y'all just sit back, relax, and enjoy. Let's go ahead and hop right into this install.
Ladies and gentlemen.
There's something about this girl, man, from around my way. Never try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away, simply run away. Can't try to run and hide, make a difference. Can't lie to yourself. It hurts when it comes to you. Before the double R, I had to hitchhike some. Her friends didn't like dudes like us, but I arrested the coochie and the feelings got caught up. Spiderweb sex must have got caught up, but there's more to it. I remember once saying let's on the peons. Let's go to Vegas and watch Celine Dion, make them say what we on. You say no like you was doing it for eons. Funk it, I just hum and let the watch give up the neons. When it rains, it pours. I laugh to myself when I changed the score. You said my sex was a lie, but my brain gave you more. Something about how your ex was a toy, I guess.
Ladies and gentlemen.
There's something about this girl, man, from around my way. Never try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away, simply run away. Can't try to run and hide, make a difference. Can't lie to yourself. It hurts when it comes to you. Hey, yes sir, that's her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her. The lavish life from all the ghost money. Before the double R, I had to hitchhike some. Her friends didn't like dudes like us, but I arrested the coochie and the feelings got caught up. Spiderweb sex must have got caught up, but there's more to it. I remember once saying let's on the peons. Let's go to Vegas and watch Celine Dion, make them say what we on. You say no like you was doing it for eons. Funk it, I just hum and let the watch give up the neons. When it rains, it pours. I laugh to myself when I changed the score. You said my sex was a lie, but my brain gave you more. Something about how your ex was a toy, I guess.
Ladies and gentlemen.
There's something about this girl, man, from around my way. Never try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away, simply run away. Can't try to run and hide, make a difference. Can't lie to yourself. It hurts when it comes to you. Hey, yes sir, that's her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her. The lavish life from all the ghost money. Before the double R, I had to hitchhike some. Her friends didn't like dudes like us, but I arrested the coochie and the feelings got caught up. Spiderweb sex must have got caught up, but there's more to it. I remember once saying let's on the peons. Let's go to Vegas and watch Celine Dion, make them say what we on. You say no like you was doing it for eons. Funk it, I just hum and let the watch give up the neons. When it rains, it pours. I laugh to myself when I changed the score. You said my sex was a lie, but my brain gave you more. Something about how your ex was a toy, I guess.
Ladies and gentlemen.
There's something about this girl, man, from around my way. Never try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't say.
But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away, simply run away.
Can't try to run and hide, make a difference. Can't lie to yourself. It hurts when it comes to you. Hey, watch give off the neons when it rains and pours. I laugh to myself when I changed the score. You said my sex was a lot, but my brain gave you more. Something about how your ex was a toy, I guess. Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man, from around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away, simply run away. Can't try to run and hide, it won't make a difference. Can't lie to yourself, it hurts, but it comes to repetition. You've been Hey, yes sir, that's her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her. The lavish life from all the ghost mud. Before the double R, I had to hitchhike some. Her friends didn't like dudes like us, but I arrested the coochie and the feelings got caught up. Spiderweb sex must have got caught up, but there's more to it. I remember once saying let's on the peons. Let's go to Vegas and watch Celine Dion. Make them say what we on. You say no like you was doing it for eons. Funk it out just hum and let the watch give off the neons when it rains and pours.
Alright, you guys, so that wraps it up for today's hair install. Y'all make sure y'all check out Yolissa Hair. Everything about them is going to be down in the description below. Here's just me right here, just trying out a different style with it. I did a cute little pin up. You can do multiple different things and styles with this wig, with this 5x5 lace, you guys. Y'all make sure to check them out. And don't forget, everything is down in the description below. And I will see y'all in the next video. Peace. I'm out.